Good afternoon guys, welcome to Susan Vlogs. Magtuturta sana ako ng talong. Kaso mas trip ko ngayon is tilapia guys. So tara, samahan niyo ako mag-fry ng tilapia. Bukas na lang ito. Kulay muna bukas na. Ngayon, may natira pa kasi guys na sinigang na baboy. So now I fry only fish la. I fry fish, then I fry in fish. Yan. And easy. Tomorrow I fry eggplant. Now I fry only tilapia. I want to eat fish today. I want to fish today. Ayan guys, I fry fish. Yes. Now I fry like this. Tilapia. Yesterday I cooking bati sinigang like pineso. Partira natin ng prito guys. Yan. Then, sausawan. Black sauce with chili, calamansi. Oh, very nice, right? More eggplant. Okay. Fish. Yummy this guys. Yeah. So I buy 4 pieces tilapia. 2 pieces, so become 4. I cutting. So yummy, right? Just fry only. Put salt and then magic sarap. Yeah, magic sarap. So only this one guys. Then sinigang body. So this one also nice ma. So this one I fry. Ito natin itapon guys. Okay guys. Try to fry in. Try to fry yung fish. Lagyan natin ng some tamarind para magkalasa siya guys. Okay na to guys. 2 pieces. So I cutting become 4. So until tomorrow guys. See, yummy, right? Tilapia. That's all. Okay guys. Then this chicken only. Then I wash it. I buy also it. So oh, broken one. One egg is broken. the one egg is broken. So I fry. I try to fry. It's still okay. I will try. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Magandang good afternoon. Just fry only fish. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed Sunday everyone. Yeah. Ready natin yung kalamansi. Kalamansi. Sausawan like this. Then, still have sinigang but fat. I don't want to eat fat. So, only like this la. Kalamansi, sausawan, then fry fish. Enough. I cook rice. Simple only guys. Then I have a kilawin. Okay guys, thank you for watching.